Welcome to Honsberg Metal Saws in Remscheid. As a family business, we develop and produce our precision saw bands blades exclusively at our headquarters in Remscheid, the traditional home of the German tool industry. With WEBcut we present an internet-based solution and at the same time the leading database for the optimal use of metal saw blades. Discover how you can optimize the best cutting parameters and tool selections from a wealth of over 10,000 material designations and more than 4,000 machine types. In the input mask you will find the previously selected material specification and also the hardness, the shape of the workpiece. For example, you can see beams here. Now you have to select the machine. The saw band dimension are selected afterwards. By clicking on Calculate, WEBcut determines the optimal solution for your requirements. Select alternative band saw blades and obtain the cutting parameters for them. These can be, for example, already existing sawing tools, which one does not want to exchange. The result is displayed as a PDF after the calculation.